I'm going to teach you a simple way to remove tarnish from your spiritual jewelry, especially if it's made from silver. Now, silver tarnishes when it's exposed to sulfur-containing gases within the air, which discolors and darkens the surface of the silver as it reacts to the gases within the air, which causes that dark appearance or the tarnish of the silver. Now, silver in spirituality represents protection, and this tarnish spiritually symbolizes, when you see tarnish on your silver, it symbolizes unwanted energies, unwanted vibrations that you don't want on your person. So what you're going to do is you're going to boil some water and you're going to use some aluminum foil and some baking soda and a clear glass. That you're only going to use this clear glass bowl just to cleanse your jewelry. You're going to use the opaque side, not the shiny side of the aluminum foil. You're going to make sure that your glass bowl is completely covered with the aluminum foil, and you're going to put your tarnished jewelry into the glass bowl. Then you're going to use the baking soda. Baking soda has a lot of magical and spiritual properties. Maybe I'll do a future video on that. And you're going to cover your jewelry completely with the baking soda. With my fingers, you don't have to do this process. I like to rub it into the jewelry or into the silver. Next, you're going to pour the hot boiling water. Be careful not to get burnt onto the bowl. And you're going to smell negative, unwanted vibrations flying into the ear. The demons are going to fly off. The evil eye is completely going to remove out of that silver. You're going to take a fork and you're just going to pass it around. Make sure that your silver gets nice and cleansed. Now, when the water is completely cooled down, you can remove your silver and place it into a receptacle of cool, fresh water, or run it under a tap of water to remove any residue from the baking soda. Next, you're going to take your silver out of the water and place it into a clean towel just to dry off your silver completely. Make sure there's no moisture on your silver. Now, here's your silver nice and clean. Now, do you want to keep them clean and tarnish free for much longer? Take some bags, cloth bags, and you can use cascarilla or you can use chalk. Place your silver into cloth bags and place either cascarilla. If you don't have cascarilla, you can use chalk. Chalk will absorb any moisture or any sulfuric gases in the air much longer, keeping your silver nice and cleaner much longer. All you have to do is, when you want to use your silver, take it out of the bag, wipe it down, any chalk residue, and your silver is going to be cleaner much longer. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Sancista Brujo Luis. Keep your spiritual protections clean. Ciao.